You getting all the bad guys, Charlie? You getting all the bad guys?
No. These things aren't bad guys.
Oh, you were just getting some blocks?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
That's just knocking down blocks. That's just spamming blocks.
Oh, are there going to be more bad guys?
What?
Are there going to be more bad guys?